Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Bridge of Terabithia is probably one of the most emotionally resonant and visually stunning films to grace the silver screen in recent memory, offering a powerful exploration of childhood imagination, friendship, and the profound impact of loss, all wrapped in a narrative that is both heartwarming and heartbreaking. Number 5. Bridge to Terabithia. Discover a world where imagination knows no bounds. Two unlikely friends create a magical kingdom, a sanctuary from their everyday lives. Step into Terabithia, a land born from creativity and courage. It's a place where anything is possible, a secret world shared between them. But even in their enchanted realm, they must confront the realities of the world outside. Their bond helps them navigate difficult times. See how the power of their shared imagination helps them overcome obstacles. It's a testament to the strength found in friendship. Experience a heartwarming tale of childhood, friendship, and the enduring impact of believing in something more. It's a story that will stay with you. What we like. This is the original story that started it all. It offers a deeply imaginative world and explores profound themes of friendship and loss. If you are looking for the classic tale that inspired countless adaptations and resonates with audiences of all ages, this is the one to choose. What people say. A story of friendship and loss. Still, it is a heartwarming movie of friendship, kids being misfits and finding solace in imagination. This covers the topic of loss, and even after all these years, it still holds up. Yet it also shows the necessity of grief. Grief is important, and if anything, that is the greatest lesson taught. The book is awesome, and the movie is a fun way to reward kids who have read the whole thing. The reason it's PG is that it touches on the mature topic of death and bullying. There's nothing inappropriate, unless your little ones think the fantasy stuff is scary. The thing about Terabithia is that it's a place the boy and girl made up, and all the CG fantasy stuff is a visualization of what the kids are imagining. Bridge to Terabithia is a work of children's literature about two lonely children who create a magical forest kingdom. It was written by Katherine Paterson and was published in 1977 by Thomas Crowell. In 1978, it won the Newbery Medal. Paterson drew inspiration for the novel from a real event that occurred in August 1974 when a friend of her son was struck by lightning and killed. Number 4. Bridge to Terabithia Literature Study Guide. Dive into the rich themes and characters of Bridge to Terabithia. This guide is designed to enhance understanding for students in grades 4 to 8. Explore the novel through interactive close reading exercises. These activities are crafted to foster critical thinking and deeper comprehension. Develop essential writing skills with targeted prompts and assignments. Encourage students to express their insights and interpretations effectively. This comprehensive study guide serves as an invaluable resource for educators. It's designed to make literature come alive in the classroom. Experience the powerful story of friendship and imagination. This guide helps students connect with the emotional core of the narrative. Specifically tailored for literature curricula in grades 4 through 8. It supports a thorough and engaging study of this classic novel. What we like. This guide is designed for educators and young readers in grades 4 to 8. It focuses on close reading and includes engaging writing activities to enhance comprehension. If you're a teacher or parent looking for a structured way to delve into the novel's themes and literary devices with students, this resource is ideal. What people say. This is the perfect resource to accompany the book. There's vocabulary, story-setting questions, character analysis, summary questions, etc. These are divided by chapters, so I'm able to complete some in person and assign some pages for homework. Perfect for my middle school students. Both boys and girls like the story, and this was a perfect tool to monitor their comprehension understanding of the material. Very useful for my 6th grade reading class. Number 3. Bridge to Terabithia Classroom Guide. Discover a comprehensive guide to bringing the beloved story of Bridge to Terabithia into your classroom. This resource is designed to enhance student engagement and understanding. Explore creative lesson plans and activities that will captivate your students. It helps foster critical thinking and emotional intelligence through this timeless tale. Find ready-to-use materials that align with educational standards. These lessons are crafted to make complex themes accessible and meaningful for young learners. Dive deep into the characters and themes of friendship, imagination, and loss. This guide provides tools to facilitate rich discussions and personal connections. Equip yourself with the resources needed to create an unforgettable learning experience. Make Bridge to Terabithia a powerful tool for your students' development. What we like. This guide provides practical strategies for using the book in a classroom setting. It facilitates literature discussions and offers methods for engaging students with the story. If you are an educator seeking tools to bring this powerful narrative to life for your students, this is a valuable companion. What people say. Many great ideas to use in your book novel studies with your middle school students. I especially like the creative activities suggested. Includes background reading, reading comprehension quizzes, and enrichment activities that my students really enjoyed. Great book, perfect activities for my 5th grade class. Number 2. Bridge to Terabithia. Discover a world beyond imagination, where friendship blossoms in the most unexpected places. It's a journey that will change their lives forever. Step into Terabithia, a secret kingdom created by 2 imaginative children. Here, ordinary woods transform into a land of fantasy and adventure. With the power of their minds, they build a world where anything is possible. This is their escape, their sanctuary, their very own kingdom. But even in their magical realm, they must confront real-world challenges. Their bond is tested as they learn to navigate life's ups and downs together. Experience a tale of profound friendship, courage, and the enduring impact of those we love. It's a story that will touch your heart and stay with you. Come and explore the wonder. This unforgettable story reminds us of the magic found in imagination and the strength of the human spirit. What we like. This version presents the heartwarming story with relatable characters that resonate deeply. It's a straightforward and accessible narrative that captures the essence of childhood imagination and friendship. If you want a pure, emotional reading experience that focuses on the core relationships and the magic of childhood, this is the perfect choice. What people say. CD arrived brand new as shown, works great while I play it and had no problem while downloading to my iTunes. I love the movie Bridge to Terabithia, and was interested in what the soundtrack would sound like. Aaron Zigman's orchestral score is decent, not the best I've heard, but decent. Si le film vous en veut comme moi, je pense que c'est une partie grâce à sa musique. Vous la retrouvez ici. Et écoutez tranquillement acide dans son fauteuil. En note au passage qu'on a droit également à la prestation de la jeune actrice Anna Sophia Robb sur un de chansons. Pour les amoureux du film. Number 1. Bridge to Terabithia Literature Kit Grove 5 to 6. Embark on a journey with Bridge to Terabithia, a literature kit designed for grades 5 to 6. This kit brings the beloved story to life for young readers. Discover a wealth of engaging activities perfect for the classroom. It's designed to deepen understanding and foster critical thinking skills. Specifically curated for students in grades 5 and 6, this kit provides a comprehensive literary experience. It aligns with educational standards for this age group. Brought to you by Classroom Complete Press, a trusted name in educational resources. You can rely on the quality and effectiveness of their materials. This kit encourages students to explore themes of friendship, imagination, and resilience. It's a powerful tool for developing empathy and understanding. Dive deep into the narrative with a complete literature kit. It offers everything needed for a rich and rewarding study of the book. What we like. This kit is tailored for grades 5 to 6, offering curriculum-aligned activities for a comprehensive learning experience. It emphasizes activity-based learning to make the novel engaging for this age group. If you are an educator looking for a ready-made, targeted resource to teach this novel effectively to middle elementary students, this kit provides a structured and fun approach. What people say. This covers all the bases: comprehension, analysis, and synthesis. Very well organized and easy to use with 5th and 6th graders. This is a great novel unit for 5th graders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.